A hurricane warning is in effect right now for a large part of the Louisiana coast and a hurricane watch in New Orleans.
Channel 2's Brandon Walker continues our live storm team coverage from the Big Easy. Brandon, set the scene for us there.
Well, good evening to you, Andy, here from New Orleans. We're in Algiers on the west bank of the river, and where I am right now, it's not uncommon to see people going for a walk this hour. We're here along the levee, but they're here tonight because this is the concern. You can see the Mississippi River. It is high. The Army Corps of Engineers expects the storm surge from Barry to bring more water here. They say the river's going to crest at 19 feet. They do not believe it's going to tip over, but there is a lot of concern from people watching here tonight. The mighty Mississippi, already bloated, expected to rise even more. The worry tonight in New Orleans' Algiers neighborhood is how high.
I'm worried because the way the levee is and everything, you got leaks.
I hope it don't top over, because I mean, I live, right in the area, not too far.
The Louisiana National Guard has deployed extra manpower to the Crescent City. And some are preparing now because they already know. That includes members of the Zulu Social Aid and Pleasure Club, which builds sandbags all day. Their mid-city headquarters flooded yesterday, 2 feet of water. They've flooded twice within the past year.
A historical artifact of our former kings and queens of Zulu is housed in that location. We also have our meetings here in preparation for the carnival season and all the events that we do throughout the year.
Crews were out cleaning storm drains, picking up garbage too. Officials say the city's pumps will work, but they haven't in the past, which worries many, considering it doesn't take much to flood here.
We cannot pump our way out of the water levels and the waterfalls that are expected to hit the city of New Orleans. We need you to understand this and, again, be prepared to shelter in place.
Yeah, New Orleans Mayor LaToya Cantrell there. But when you look at this river level right now, to put this into perspective, guys, I actually happen to be from New Orleans. I grew up in this neighborhood. You're looking at that tree. Actually, all of that right there, usually there isn't any water. We would actually ride our bikes and play down there as kids. So that gives you an idea of just how high the water is right now. And they know that it's going to rise once this storm makes landfall somewhere here along the coast. The question, though, is how much water they will get. Again, the Army Corps of Engineers expecting the water to crest at 19 feet. So everyone here watching and hoping that this thing does not tip over. Live here in New Orleans for you tonight, I'm Brandon Walker, KPRC Channel 2 News.
Brandon, thank you.
Yes, we hope your hometown's going to be okay. Our live storm team coverage continues now with Channel 2 anchor Jonathan Martinez live in Lafayette, Louisiana. Jonathan.
Yeah, guys, and about the only thing that's changed since the last time we checked in with you at 5 is there's a lot more sand that was at this location that's now made its way into bags and out in the community as the residents here look to prepare for any potential flooding, and they're not alone. One after another, hundreds of sandbags were filled as residents in Lafayette get ready for a visit by Tropical Storm Barry.
Try to get 20 or 30 per house, and put them where you might get water in your house. That's about it.
The worry for many around here, the possibility of flooding with several inches of rain in the forecast.
I saw the storm coming and preparing with sandbags and marking up the doors and just getting ready for the storm and just preparing for the worst.
City and parish leaders are also getting ready ahead of the storm.
The benefit of it being a hurricane is that we have a couple days to prepare.
They're keeping a close eye to the sky and planning accordingly.
The Lafayette Consolidated Government has all of the officials in the area meeting twice a day for emergency operations meetings.
City officials say in those meetings they're coordinating with others across the area and state officials in case there's a need to set up shelters or to carry out any possible rescues. Many residents also saying until Barry makes landfall, they plan to stay busy so they're not caught off guard.
It's always scary, but we're used to it. If you're from here, you just got to prepare and try to get ready for it. That's all you can do.
And we're told as quickly as this sand is heading out, more trucks are bringing a lot more in. That according to city and parish leaders as folks continue to fill up sandbags here in Lafayette, Louisiana. We, in the meantime, are going to head a little bit closer to the coast to see how other communities around here are also preparing. Look for those reports coming up tonight at 10 on KPRC Channel 2 News. For now, we are reporting live from Lafayette, Louisiana. I'm Jonathan Martinez, KPRC Channel 2 News.
We will see you then, Jonathan. Thanks so much. And be sure to download the KPRC Hurricane Tracker app to track storms all season long. Just search KPRC in your app store or go to click2houston.com/hurricane. While you're there, download our 2019 Hurricane and Flood Survival Guide.